Welcome to the very first episode of All But Gold. I feel a little introduction is in order before we jump into this very first episode. So, what happened is I got a call from one of my old friends wondering if I wanted an NSU Pony 100 from 1938. Without really looking at it, I said, yeah, I would like that. So me and my friends jumped into my car, got a trailer and hitched it up and drove half across the country to get this unseen motorbike. And as you can see from some of the reference photos I got, it wasn't in the best condition. It was one of those motorbikes where you look at a distance, it looks very good, but if you look closely, you see that it's very much painted over, just dirt, rust, everything is just painted over. So I have my works cut out disassembling it, and as you see, I got a few surprises along the way. But yeah, let's join me in the workshop. Hello, welcome to the workshop I will be working in. There it is. This is a workshop that has been so graciously lent to me to actually complete this project, and I don't think I could do it without the support of some very nice people to actually complete this. And yeah, it got all the amenities one would need to complete this project. So we have the green bandsaw, we have the green lathe that spins and works perfect, we have the table saw, the grindy things, blue of course, and all the handheld tools one could need, very well secured. We have the sandblast cabinet that makes a lot of noise and a lot of dust. And then we have the blue gear shift cutty thingy that makes this. You see me there working with the fuel shut-off valve, and I take the fuel tank to be sandblasted, and then, yeah, can't find the fuel shut-off. Looking around, can't find it. Getting very upset by myself that I have lost it, and then I realize, there, it's still in the vise. The fuel cap that there's some sort of spring mechanism inside the filler cap, which might be some sort of pressure relief valve or something for the fuel tank. I thought it might be the latching mechanism that tightens it or something like that, but I'm not really sure on that one. And the gear shift mechanism, I've sort of decided not to take it further apart because I'm unsure if I take it further apart if I'm going to get it together again in the proper setting, and if those ball bearings or something, I don't know what these are, if I can just pull them off or if I'm going to destroy them, so we'll see. I don't actually have any footage of the painting of these parts because I did it before I actually decided to make a YouTube channel out of this. So I'm sorry that you didn't see it, but this is how it looked at least. I can't be the only one that does this, but I realized I didn't have any paper, so I had to do this awkward shuffle through the workshop with the paint can over to the paper dispenser so I didn't have paint everywhere from the can. And now you just have to wait around until the paint dries. Just enough so you can flip it over and paint the other side. So you just sit there and wait, and wait, and wait. I have some photos I took of the things I painted after I painted because I'm a rookie YouTube content maker, whatever you call it, and I didn't actually film any of it, but here at least you have me taking everything into the workshop after drying for a week. And if you watched this far into the video, please drop a like and subscribe. And that's it for this very first restoration episode. I will be dropping them as fast as I can physically make them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very first one. And I know it's a bit of a short one because I didn't have a lot of footage of the disassembly of the different parts. And I'm sorry for that because I didn't actually decide to make a YouTube out of this before I was some way into the restoration project. So yeah, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.